Alright, finally got all the parts together for the new Trammel toy. I can't wait to actually take all these different parts and put them together. We've got the slider block, and we've got all of the different parts of the base that goes along with it, and we've got some beams that go there too. What's going to happen is we're going to take these parts and we're going to fasten them in, and we're going to take the slider bar, and the slider bar is going to go in here along this track like this, and it should just slide in nice. But I've noticed there's a slight problem. Whenever I look at these holes are a lot bigger than the holes that are down here, so I don't really think that our departments were working together whenever the person who made this part and the person who made this part weren't talking to each other. So this is gonna have to get fixed. And whenever I look at this is supposed to go, so they're supposed to fasten together like this, but if I try to fasten it like that, there's no way that track can go. So this is definitely, this is way off here. These holes, they seem to like at least line up, but I can see like this one's a really big hole, and this one's not, or let's see, these two are really small holes. But all these on the bottom side, these are all equal spaced, so that's not really going to work out either. But at least it does fit in on the corner. And then we've got this guy over here, which goes on the side, but the problem is that somebody put it on the wrong side and it doesn't quite fit either, so it's a little bit off. So if I were to try to put it in here, it just doesn't fit. So it looks like I'm going to have a little bit of a problem, because my Trammel toy that I wanted to put together to show how a prototype would work is not even close to functioning. And if I were working on this project and I had to present this to my manager or my boss, we would be having a severe talk about what exactly is going on. So what you've got, oops, there it goes. So what we've got to do now is we've got to fix this problem. So we're actually going to group up together and we're going to fix this problem to try to get our Trammel toy to actually work and function correctly. So all of these have to be fastened down correctly, and all of these parts are going to have to fit together. This is going to take a large effort, and we're going to break this project down into several different days. But this is the general idea of what we're trying to get done and what we're trying to accomplish. We want this to all fit together and not to be janky. And right now this is about the most fundamental definition of either jankiness or incompetence. I'm not sure which one. But you know what? In design, mistakes happen all the time. And this is just a prototype because it's been 3D printed. This hasn't made it to mass production. So we've got time to improve it. And that's exactly what we're going to do.